Good morning, class. When we talked about two-dimensional shapes, we talked about two key vocabulary words. We talked about vertices, which is corners, or sides. And those words we use to describe two-dimensional shapes. So we talked about how a rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides, 2 that are long sides and 2 that are short sides. For three-dimensional shapes, we use different vocabulary words to describe them as well. With three-dimensional shapes, we talk about their edges, their edge, right here, these are edges, their vertices, or their corners, and their faces. So the flat sides are called faces, and we can describe the shapes of their faces. Like this shape has two big rectangle faces, and then 2 small rectangle faces, and then 2 more small rectangle faces. So if we were to count the shape's faces, we'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, our first three-dimensional shape actually has no vertices, no edges, and no faces, and it's called a sphere. Now, spheres, you might think, I recognize this. This looks like a ball or a globe or the sun or the earth, and you're right. All those things are spheres. They are totally round. They have 0 vertices, 0 edges, and 0 faces. That's what makes a sphere a sphere. I would like you to walk around your house and see if you can find a sphere and maybe play catch with it, if it's an appropriate sphere to play catch with. I hope that you have fun watching for spheres in your home and in your area around you. Have a good day.